So here we're looking at the Rocky Road Outfitters control arm. Give it a little, get a closer look. It does have a little nipple for your grease gun, so you can grease them up. Here's your little ball joint covers. Let me see. As you can tell, mine look pretty old since mine are actually pretty beat up. I am running the first lift kit made for the WL. So mine was the first lifted WL out there. And a big shout out to Rocky Road Outfitters for getting it done. So mine, as you can tell, is pretty rusted, beat up. Bolts are a little rusted. All over here is rusted. I actually just let it, I didn't really take care of it. The first winter, I probably washed it once. The second winter, probably about, let's say 2 times. I just wanted to see how it hold up. And until this day, after 2 years, man, it's going strong. Now I am thinking about taking off the control arms and painting them, touching them up, but we'll see. See, I can get more closer look if I can get the spacer. But up front, you're running a 2.5 lift, and in the rear, it's a 1.8. So the rear is a 1.8 lift, and the front is a 2.5. So with the 1.8 in the rear, is going to give you a level look up front. So I am running the Duratrex 275 6518. So my wheels are the Black Rhinos 18x8 with the plus 30 offset. So this is how it looks with the plus 30 offset 18x8 wheel. So I'm pretty much kind of next to the, let me adjust this, next to the control arm knuckle. But yeah, like that, you can get an idea how it looks. Wheels, it's 275 55/20s, and with the lift kit deluxe, which is the deluxe lift kit, which it includes spacers, you're able to run bigger tires. But the only problem is, just keep in mind, so with spacers, you're pushing out the wheel out. So in that case, you would have to grind down the pinch well. So I already have mine grinded down. The only thing I just needed, the felt, I just need to trim it down if I ever want to run bigger tires than what I have right now. Regardless, with the lift kit, the control arm angle stays about the same, so it doesn't change. So when I was running the stock wheels, I was running 275 55/20s BFGs. Alright, so here's the 275 55/20 stock wheel BFG. I have it underneath the spare, which that's my spare tire. In order to make it fit up here, you need to air down if you're thinking about adding a bigger spare tire. But there it is. Alright, so you guys have any questions, just send me a message on my Instagram, northwest519_WA, or in the comments below. Or also you can join my Facebook group, Jeep Grand Cherokee WL Modifications Group. I'll have it posted right there on my description. But yeah, there it is. It's a quick little overview. We also got some more great stuff coming up for the Jeep Grand Cherokee L with Dobson springs, so stay tuned for that. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.